Alright, picture this. A packed courtroom, fluorescent lights humming overhead, every eye glued to the judge's bench. The air is thick, almost electric, because today, we're waiting for a verdict that could change everything. I'm sitting in the back row, heart pounding, palms sweaty. The defendant, let's call him James, stares straight ahead, jaw clenched, barely breathing. He's been on trial for weeks, accused of a crime that splashed across every headline in the city. The evidence? It's a mess. Some solid, some shaky, all of it argued to death by the prosecution and the defense. Now the jury's been out for hours. They've sifted through testimonies, cross-examinations, exhibits, trying to piece together the truth. I glance at the clock. Every second feels like an hour. Suddenly the bailiff stands. "All rise," he announces. The jury's back. The room stands as one, a wave of nerves and anticipation. The judge enters, face unreadable. The foreperson, a woman in her 40s, clutches the verdict slip.
Has the jury reached a verdict?
I can hear my own heartbeat as the paper is handed over. The judge reads silently, then looks up.
Will the defendant please rise?
James stands, shoulders squared, eyes locked on the bench. The judge's voice is calm, but every word lands like a hammer.
On the charge of grand larceny, how do you find the defendant?
A gasp ripples through the courtroom, some in shock, others in relief. James's mother bursts into tears. His lawyer lets out a breath he's been holding for days. But James? He just closes his eyes, letting the moment wash over him. But the judge isn't done.
On the charge of conspiracy, how do you find the defendant?
Now it's a different kind of silence. James blinks, stunned. His fate has flipped in a heartbeat. The prosecution nods, satisfied. The defense looks crushed. The judge sets a date for sentencing, and just like that, the courtroom empties. Reporters rush outside, phones already dialing. I watch James still standing as the reality sinks in. This is the heart of the legal thriller, the razor's edge between freedom and fate. One moment, hope, the next, despair. And through it all, the law marches on, impartial, relentless, and sometimes just as dramatic as any movie. So, next time you hear the verdict is in, remember, it's never just words. It's a life changed, right there in that silent, breathless room. Thanks for watching. If you want more edge-of-your-seat legal breakdowns, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in court.